Balihai Bay Hotel here, residence. They call this Balihai Bay Residence. So, we're here enjoying our life high with the facing in the ocean here. Morning. Wow, look at the morning, and a lot of people here in Pattaya, guys. Oh, there. That area is bunch of stores. Fun for you. Walking there is, they call walking street in Pattaya City. They have there. That's all establishment there. A lot, guys. A lot. They have a lot of club. Nightclub. A lot. So you can enjoy here. Here is a boating there. It's a parking area, it's a boating area there. A lot of people now came in. So last night I saw there are fishing and like doing a picnic, eating in the walk side the bay. So it's nice, and the bridge there going in that area, all for the boats rides. They have a lot of speedboat here. Mostly you can go and ride in this. There is, you see that guy? Oh, passenger for boat. They have going there for just turn around here in the Pattaya City. So nice place in Pattaya. We've never been in the elephant. I don't know if we can go. Walter cannot carry to walk, long walk, mostly in the hills. She have a problem with the legs, so it's hard for him. She has a heart bypass, so sometimes she feel heartburn. I'm scared. Maybe it's not a heartburn. Maybe it's heart. He wants always to have something she can barf first. Okay. Nice morning, guys. In our place, facing along the center of the ocean here. It's a beautiful place. It's not nice hotel, but it's an ordinary, not like the VIP we have. 5-star hotel in Radisson's. That's a 5-star hotel. Probably here, I don't know. It's a good hotels. It's a nice views. This one is just only like we have in the Florida and Daytona Beach. It's an ordinary hotels. You can chicken like this. Enjoy life here in Pattaya City. This is our third, by the way, this is our third hotels. The first hotel we've been is the Holiday Inn Express, and now the second is Radisson Loop Plaza Hotel in Bangkok. So here also in Balihai Bay. It's hard to Balihai Bay residence they call it. It's a hotel. Okay guys, thank you. Enjoying our, after this we go to down for our breakfast, morning breakfast until 6:30 to 10:30. So we have time to eat there. All the AC condenser was running. Gonna be hot. Okay, we're going to our breakfast down and breakfast area for restaurant for this by Balihai. So what number?
You're here by yourself.
Okay, we're here. Okay, we are in the lobby for breakfast. Where? Oh, here? Huh? Oh, there. Oh. Huh?
I told you it's on the second floor. Well, we can walk up the stairs, I guess.
So this is the restaurant here. Okay, we're here now in the restaurant. 410. Where's the plate? This approach? Okay, good. Wow. This is a omelette and fried egg. Salad sections. Okay, this is a salad section. Hot chocolate milk with milk. Hot chocolate
Yeah, they have
with milk. Okay. Oh, no free. No free? No included? Okay. This no, never mind. Never mind. I think that's good. I asked them. Okay, this is our breakfast today. The buffet breakfast here in Balihai Bay Residence. They have that's okay. Good. Not like in Radisson's, but it's good.
No, not quite.
Yeah, that's a 5-star hotel. Okay, 5-star. This is the 5-star hotel.